bit. Fueling the Nasdaq's 8-day streak, the usual suspects. Apple, by the way, hitting a brand new high, but putting a Tesla aside, some unusual suspects have fueled this 8-session-long run. Have you heard these names? Biotech Illumina, Argentinian e-commerce giant Mercado Libre, Karate Retail, Workday, and KLA-Tencor. All have led the charge for the last 8 sessions. But what other names could be ready to take flight that are currently maybe sitting or languishing under the radar in the tech sector? Our floor show traders have been watching the flows into certain stocks and out of others. Sarge, you're up first. What are you seeing?
Well, I'll tell you what, Liz, you're going to laugh, but I covered my short in Tesla this morning. I could have got a better price, I guess, but at least I made some money. And you just mentioned KLA-Tencor. On December 31st, I wrote a long note where I picked that as my best stock of the year. So if that one's moving the right way, I'm glad to see it, because we struggled for a few months there. But that's a semi-stock, all right? The semi-stocks is where the action, I believe, is going to be, because they're undervalued. Except for NVIDIA, which is in all the right businesses and is high profile. You might want to look at Micron, MU, trades at 4 times earnings. And yes, maybe the memory business is a little bit oversupplied. Maybe there's going to be some price pressures. The stock is trading at 4 times earnings. I don't care if it goes to 6 or 7 times earnings. It'll still be undervalued, and I'm going to own it.
But it already has a huge run-up, does it not? More than 80%, Sarge? I just want to, again, for our viewers, you don't want them buying at considerable highs, right? You want to wait for a pullback? Oh, no, Micron's come in a little bit. It's trading around $52 a share right now. It's been all over the map. There's been analysts who put $100 price targets on it. There's been analysts who put $40 price targets on it. It's in play, as is its competitor, Western Digital. Scott Bauer. Okay, outdo Sarge here. At least try.
That's a tough act to follow. I like the internet security space, and especially a stock VeriSign, VRSN.
No, it won't.
You know, it's domain registration, internet security. The stock hasn't catapulted. It's been grinding higher, and this is an area, internet security, which is only going to get larger and larger. They reported earnings a couple weeks ago, extremely solid, upped their guidance a little bit. Their renewal rate, Liz, is about 75%. It's not a true subscription business, but you can look at it like that. And at a renewal rate of 75%, they are going to keep churning along here. I really like this one. But when you think of tech guys, and I don't make stock picks, but I watch the server businesses of a lot of these companies that are out there. When I go back to when Paul Otellini was running Intel, he really went full in on the server business, and it ended up being, I don't know, a couple of years ago, a $10 billion business for Intel. IBM's got one, Hewlett-Packard. What do you think, Sarge?
Well, you know, you just brought up Intel. Now, another name I'm long. Now, Intel's been in the hole a little bit. What I want Intel to do, I'm on Fox Business. I'm telling the Intel board, I want you to go after AMD CEO Susan Lee. Make her your CEO. Brian Krzanich is out, right? We had a little bit of a problem there. Let's bring in the best. Have you seen AMD's chart? Susan Lee is the best.
What? Same
Lisa Su.
Lisa Su.
Susan Lee was just on the air.
I'm thinking, wow.
Social media is lighting up on that one.
Yeah, she is double dipping here. Working at Fox Business and Advanced Micro Devices. All right, it's Lisa Su. Thank you very much. Good to see both of you.